Tips for losing weight. Do you want to lose weight in order to improve your appearance, health, or both? If that is the case, you're probably looking for some guidance. The good news is that there are a number of strategies you can employ to assist you in losing weight and achieving your weight loss goal. When it comes to weight loss, the best thing you can do is consume a balanced diet. Eating healthy entails keeping track of the meals you consume rather than the amount of food you consume. When on a diet, you may wish to limit the number of foods you eat, but it's more vital to focus on the things you consume instead. If you were to, for example, eat fruit instead of chips, you could have more fruit snacks with your meals rather than more junk food. Because eating properly is such a crucial part of losing weight, eating more fruits and vegetables are a key ingredient. Finding and acquainting yourself with healthy foods is one of the first things you should do. This can be accomplished with a simple online search or by purchasing a collection of healthy eating recipe books. To avoid the monotony that frequently comes with healthy eating, especially if you aren't used to it, it's crucial to spice up your meals and avoid eating the same meals week after week. Also, regular exercise, in conjunction with a good diet, is essential for weight loss. If you want to lose weight, you should begin an exercise routine. This is what allows you to lose weight in the first place. It's critical to start slowly, especially if you haven't been exercising frequently in the past. Exercise is an excellent technique to lose weight, but you should not overdo it at first. You may be asking what you can do if you don't currently have an exercise plan or program in place. Well, purchasing a collection of fitness magazines is one of the numerous ways you can locate exercises or regimens to complete. Many fitness periodicals include extensive exercise instructions, which are frequently accompanied by photographs. You might also be able to locate free workout videos or exercise moves on the internet. As a reminder, it's critical to begin slowly, or at the very least, with activities that are simple for you. Losing weight requires a combination of healthy eating and regular exercise, but there are other strategies you can employ to aid with weight loss. Finding an exercise partner or a fitness buddy is one of those suggestions. This is somebody who can exercise beside you, whether it's at a local gym or simply walking around a nearby shopping area. Having a workout buddy can help you to stay motivated and make exercise and reducing weight more enjoyable and exciting. You can also spice up your exercises to help you achieve your weight loss goal. As previously stated, you can find at-home workouts by searching the internet or reading fitness periodicals. To avoid the boredom that is typically connected with exercise, you should vary your workouts on a daily basis. For example, one day you might just want to walk the treadmill, the next day you might want to run outdoors. The next day you just might want to do calisthenics or simply just watch an exercise DVD. You should also keep track of your exercise and healthy eating habits in a notebook or log. You can use these objects to keep track of your progress. If you've had a fantastic week, such as completing all of your exercises, you might want to consider rewarding yourself. You don't have to give yourself food as a reward, it might be as simple as a sticker or a movie ticket. Many people have said that journals and logs have helped them lose weight, and they may be able to help you as well. Be sure to look in the description below for links to other helpful suggestions.